Hi there. Here we have the Roger plug-in rolling code receiver and the SYNUS-2 2-button Roger remote. Now to program your remote into your receiver, all you need to do is push P1 and the LED L1 will start flashing slowly 4 times. While that is happening, you push the button on the remote and you're good to go. So here's a demonstration. So push P1, that L1 will flash slowly. Push the button on the remote, it'll flash quickly, and then go back to slow flashing. While that slow flashing is happening, you can add more remotes in if you need to. Now to test if it's working, all you need to do is push the button on the remote and the L1 will light up, will flash for you. If L1 and L2 light up simultaneously at the same time, like this, that means that button on the remote is not programmed in. Follow the previous steps to program it in. Thanks for watching.